Hi everybody, welcome back to Project COVID 1953, our 1953 Chevy 150 project. Just to give you a quick update, after doing the firewall, wet sanding and buffing it, cutting the holes in it I needed to cut, and so I moved on to a couple other things, which would be undercoating the lower half of the firewall underneath, as well as some of the underneath undercarriage as well. And then once that was done, I also installed the engine and transmission to just get them in place so I can work everything off of there. So just a minor update, you can see the progress, and more to come, lots more.